So today I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this super cute house that I picked up from the thrift store. So if you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Alright, so let's talk about this house. So when I spotted this house, I thought it was the cutest thing ever, and I was like, I know that I need to put that in my buggy right now. Of course, the colors are not my thing, so I'm changing the color, of course, but all in all, the house was really cute, and I'm thinking Christmas time, and you know, you always have those little houses and stuff that you see during Christmas, and this was gonna be perfect. So brought it back, and then I decided to spray paint this thing white first, and then I used the Heirloom white and I added that on top of the flat white paint that I added first. And then after I did that, I brought it inside, and I knew that something else needed to be done because it was just really bland, and it needed some of its features to be popped out. So what I did was I took my metallic paint that I got from Arteza, and the color was bronze, and I just added that to the top, which I don't know if that's like technically a chimney, I don't know, but I added it to the top. I added it to the windows, and I also added it to the steps and the fence part of the house. And after that dried, I decided to add the little Christmas trees that you can get from Target, Dollar Spot, or Bullseye, whatever you want to call it, and I used those to add to the front of the house. So to do that, all I did was I removed the little cork pieces, and then I just wrapped the wire instead of cutting the wire, and I took my hot glue and I added that to the front of the house. And then after I added them to the front of the house, which one side was like, the house is not straight on, so one of the trees is like squished up onto the house, and the other one is just like chilling in the spot that it's supposed to be. But it's completely fine because you can't even tell really, especially after I added the snow, which is the next thing that I did. So I took this outside and I sprayed it with my spray adhesive, and then I brought it back inside, and I took the snow that I got from Target and I just sprinkled it all over the tops, the sides, the front, and everything of the house to give it that snow winter wonderland feel. And then after that, I just knew that it was something else that I needed to do to this piece, but I really couldn't. I was like, what do I need to do? So I wanted to get these mini wreaths. I went around the world looking for a mini wreath and could not find it. So I just decided to go to Walmart, and I picked up one of the little 98-cent picks, and I made my own wreath. So literally all I did was I took a piece of the pick off, I made it into a circle, added some hot glue on there, and then I stuck it right into the center, and then I just added this cute little bell into the center of that wreath. So I love how this turned out. It was super quick to transform this thing, and especially it would have been like, I literally could have done this in a day if I had all the materials already ready for me. But all in all, I love how this house turned out. It's so cute. I'm thinking about either putting like LED candles in there to kind of have it like illuminate at night, and I think that would be super cute because it looked like, you know, it's like a little candle in there, but it's actually not, because if it was, it would burn the whole thing down. But anyways, I'm thinking about adding those, but I love how this looks. Don't know where I'm gonna actually put it in the house, but I think it is a huge little transformation from what it was before to what it is now, and it fits my style, and that is the best part about it. And it was only like $2.99 or something like that. It was very inexpensive to get this as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're not a part of my email list, you're gonna wanna get on that email list. Again, I'm gonna have it linked down below. I have a special offer that's coming up that I'm super excited about. I feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again, but I really do want you guys to get on that email list so you can be a part of it. If you have not checked out my latest video, you can check it out up here. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe up here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!